Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to store an audio in binary format in Oracle database using blob data type. Because blobs are handy for storing digitized information such as images, audio and video. Before you start this tutorial, I want you to read a note first by clicking the link in the top right corner of your screen. This tutorial uses Oracle Database 21c and HR user account. You can browse my channel to learn how to install Oracle Database 21c and how to unlock and connect to HR user. First of all, create a directory on your PC for storing audio files. Next, log in to this account. Now create an Oracle Directory database object to read and write files from the operating system directory you just created. Also grant HR user access to this directory. You can query the DBA directories table to see the list of Oracle directory names and their operating system paths. Now connect to the HR user account. Also, you can execute this query to check the list of directories accessible to the current user. Now create a table containing a blob data type column. Finally, running this script will save the audio file in the Oracle database. Let's add another record, a waveform audio file format to the database. Finally, let's view the audios table and play one of the audio files we have inserted into the database table.
I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today.
Goodbye.